Hi everyone, welcome to our English lesson. Today we practice ordering food at a restaurant. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence. Let's start. What extra topping does Alex want on his burger? Alex is at a restaurant called the Burger House. He is talking to the cashier, Julia.
Hello. Welcome to the Burger House.
Hi, how are you today?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is good. Can I see a menu, please?
Yes, the menu is right here on the counter.
Thank you. Excitedly, I would like to order a burger.
We have many options. Do you want meat or a veggie burger?
I want a beef burger, please.
Okay. Do you want a single burger or a double burger?
I am very hungry, so I want a double burger.
One double beef burger. Do you want cheese on it?
Yes, please. I want 2 slices of cheese.
No problem. Would you like any extra toppings?
Can I have some grilled onions on the burger?
Yes, grilled onions are delicious. Anything else?
Do you have fresh tomatoes and lettuce?
Yes, we do. I will add them for you.
Thank you. Does the burger come with sauce?
It comes with mayo. Do you want spicy sauce too?
Oh, no thank you. I do not like spicy food.
Understood. Would you like to make it a meal?
Yes. What is included in the meal?
You get the burger, a side of fries, and a drink.
That sounds perfect. I want the meal.
Great. What size fries do you want?
I want large fries, please.
And what would you like to drink with your meal?
Can I have a cold chocolate milkshake?
Oh, I am very sorry. Our milkshake machine is not working.
Oh no, is it broken again?
Yes, it is being fixed right now.
That's a shame. What other drinks do you have?
We have apple juice, orange juice, and bottled water.
Okay, I will take a large orange juice, please.
One large orange juice? Is that all for today?
Yes, that is everything.
Okay, your total is $15.20.
Can I pay with my phone or only cash?
You can pay with your phone. Just tap it here.
Okay. Did it work?
Yes, it worked. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Where should I sit?
You can sit anywhere. We will call your name.
I see my order on the screen. It says small fries.
Oh, you are right. I clicked the wrong button.
I ordered large fries, not small.
I am so sorry. Let me fix that for you right now.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
No problem. Here is your new receipt with large fries.
Great. Thank you, Julia.
You are welcome, Alex. Your food will be ready in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal.